Grok just released Imagine, and you can create images fast. So we can ask for create a nice view of a beach with no man, and as you can see, it's super fast, and it just keeps generating those images, and it's actually in a very good quality. And you can also make a video while it's being created. You can also see more examples that you want to see. It also has a sound. You can see the video is moving. You can also ask for people, add people who are snow fighting. Let's try to make a video as well. I think this will be my favorite now because of the quickness.